Do you want to know how you can make money online by doing nothing realistically? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have made a living online for several years, and I keep getting a lot of questions from people about how they can make a lot of money without doing anything. And there's a lot of fake claims out there about how that really is possible, and therefore I want to record this video where I explain how it really works and the right approach if you want to make money online. So let me start by saying that there's so many fake claims when it comes to make money by doing nothing online. And there's a lot of people that are very happy to take your money by promising all kinds of exaggerated earning claims where you can earn $500 today. Just sign up for their little course and then you don't have to do anything but click 2 buttons, and then you will become rich overnight and for the rest of your life get $1,000 daily. So that's just not how it works online, and it's not how it works to make money. And the people that promote things like that, they make really good money themselves by selling you that dream that you can become rich without doing anything online. But they will just end up making a lot of money. You will end up just wasting your money and your time. There are ways to potentially make money without doing much, but you need to do it with the right approach and understand what passive income really means, because it's a very misused term today. So in this video now here, I will talk about 3 approaches to make passive income and my understanding of them, because they are quite different depending on your approach and what your goals are. And then I'll explain each of them, and then you can choose yourself if this is really for you or if you have unrealistic expectations and should look for something else. So let's start by going over the first method I want to talk about. So first I want to talk about making passive income with investments. And yes, it is possible to make really good money without doing anything if you make huge investments. Some people have done that in real estate, some people have done that in crypto, some people have done it with other investments like stocks or whatever. But the reality is that then if you want to make really big money like that, it requires a lot of investment, and it also requires knowledge, because if you just randomly invest, if you even have that much money, then you need to also know how to invest it to earn cleverly. And most people, first of all, worked hard to even reach that level of income, and then they have educated themselves about how to invest cleverly to actually earn passively. So this is just to say that yes, it is realistic to earn really big money without doing anything through investment. But you cannot just ask me or anyone else on YouTube for that matter, because I get those questions all the time. Oh, how should I invest $100 or $1,000 and then I'll become rich? And that's not how it works. You need to put in time and effort to educate yourself, and based on that, do the right investments. And it is not enough to invest $100 and then make a living from that. That's also not how investment works. We're talking about really big amounts if you actually want to make a living from it. So for many people, this is not a realistic approach to make money by doing nothing, unless they have already done a lot and have a lot of knowledge, and then they expand into other ways to diversify and to have a passive income. And I just wanted to make that very clear, because there are a lot of misunderstandings about this and I get a lot of questions about it. So this is what is realistic. But let's talk about another method that is easier for anyone to get started with, even without a budget. So the next realistic way to earn money doing nothing is to use passive income apps. And there are quite a few different apps and websites online where you can do that. Often it's by installing some kind of software that might show ads or that might share your unused internet bandwidth. There's different approaches to this, but they will not earn you a lot, but they are truly passive. Once you've set them up, you literally do not have to do anything. So this is a realistic way to start completely for free, start earning a little bit of money extra passively right away. It will not make you rich. No, it will not. Don't ask me about a way to make you rich without doing anything where you can just install it for free, because it just does not exist. The methods I talk about, they are realistic, and I have a list on my website of the best passive income apps like that. I'll leave a link to that below, but that will be a few extra dollars here and there, but that is what realistic if you want to start earning here and now completely for free and without doing anything. But let's talk about the last type of passive income also that you also have the option to go for depending on your preferences and goals. So another approach you can use is to build up, for example, an online business. This is what I have done myself, and many people talk about an online business as passive income. And in one sense, you can say it's passive income because once you have built it up, you will also keep earning. Like right now, I'm also earning when I'm sleeping. Also, if I take a vacation, if I take a day off or so, I will keep earning because that is how it is when you build up an online business. But what some people misunderstand is that they think that passive income means that they never have to do any work. No, that is not how it works. Passive means that you will also earn when you do not do anything, but there will be effort. If you build up an online business and don't put in any effort, it will stop at some point, and you will never reach a point where you will earn, for example, while you sleep, if you are not willing to put in a lot of time and a lot of effort, and in most cases also at least a little bit of investment to get proper training, the right tools to set up an online business. That online business can then be, affiliate marketing, it can be YouTube, it can be Amazon FBA, it can be dropshipping. There are many different options depending on your preferences, but all of them have in common that it will require effort to build it up. Yes, then you reach a level where you will get passive income, but if you do not still put in effort once in a while, then it will stop at some point, but it will be less you can put in time and effort. But to build the foundation, you need to be willing to put in a lot of effort and time. And I also do have some more information on my website about the exact approach that I have used to build up an online business like that. I'll leave a link to that below, so then you can also go and check that out. So to sum it all up, there are a lot of misunderstandings when it comes to making money online by doing nothing. And as mentioned also, there are a lot of people happily taking your money by lying and promising all kind of fake things. You need to be realistic when it comes to making money. Yes, you can make money doing nothing, but either you need to be willing to risk a lot, have a huge amount to invest, or you need to be willing to settle with a little bit of extra earnings on the side. Or you can take kind of the middle route where you are putting in time and effort to build up a real online business, and then once you have built that up, you will also earn, but you do need to keep putting in time and effort. That is just how it works. If you are completely lazy, don't want to do anything ever, and just want money to come in after clicking a few buttons, then you will end up getting scammed and you will not succeed. That is just the reality. And because I get so many questions about this, I really wanted to share this with you so you know what you can realistically expect. And then you will not end up wasting your time and your money. And as mentioned, I'll leave links below to both these passive, easy ways to earn a little bit extra, and I will also leave a link to the method that I have used to build up an online business. Then you can find more information if any of these options sounds like the right thing for you. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.